Is it the right time to make a move on the QQQ ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're delving deeper into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared a report on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023, and now we're excited to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on our latest analyses. Missing out on important updates that could impact your investments is something you definitely want to avoid. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.38. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a 1.59% gain. This means that on average, it has returned 0.53% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. In the short term, the ETF is currently experiencing a falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks up at the top trend line at $369.29, it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 3.60% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 10.67% and minus 3.58%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend predicts a 38.45% change over the next year, with a potential return between 30.1% and 58.37%. This means that the price range could be between $480.35 and $584.74 after a year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF includes this headline: Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, Monday, November 6, 2023, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.408%, rising from $367.71 to $369.21. It has now seen gains for 7 consecutive days. It's not common for ETFs to have such a consistent upward trend, so we should anticipate some declines in the next day or two. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.782%, reaching a low of $366.91 and a high of $369.78. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, amounting to a 3.81% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $13.87 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the QQQ ETF reached a high of $387.98 and a low of $259.73. At present, the price is 4.84%, or $18.77, below the 52-week high and 9.66%, or $39.50, below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when it reached $408.71. Today we will be discussing the signals identified for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF currently shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal when we consider the relationship between the two signals. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average. During possible corrections downwards, we can expect some support from the lines at $357.53 and $360.09. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it would issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 7.43%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the ETF. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots indicator shows a buy signal 8 days ago. The Bollinger indicator suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 23 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $368.59. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. This ETF is known for its good trading volume and relatively minor daily price fluctuations, which indicates a low risk. In the past day, QQQ moved between its high and low by $2.87, 0.782%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility of this ETF has been 1.19%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A lower P/E ratio may indicate limited expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible opportunity for investors. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $370.81. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $368.59. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $356.11, which represents a decrease of 3.55%. This exchange-traded fund, ETF, exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk option. Furthermore, our analysis reveals a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 7 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? While QQQ holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it would be more suitable to hold or accumulate this position while waiting for further development. However, it's important to note that our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 7th, we anticipate QQQ to open down $0.577 and begin trading at $368.63. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a substitute for professional advice. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with the current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us at StockInvest.